Dopamine. Dopamine.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Syazidin bin Muhammad Dahari.
My name is Farim Wongdosian.
My name is Muhammad Adik bin Ahmad Izamuddin.
And my name is Muhammad Ashan Danish bin Muhammad Rafi.
So today we are reviewing this car, which is known as Chevrolet Hatchback 1.4 from engineering and ESG awareness perspective. So what is ESG? ESG means E for environment, S is for social, and G is for governance. So this is important concept in today's automotive industry. So for the environmental aspect is focused on reducing environmental impacts such as fuel consumption and how much is energy used in vehicle. If the vehicle is not fully energy efficiency, the engines need to work harder, so this can cause increasing in fuel usage and also a carbon emission. So next we talk about a social aspect. Social aspect is focused on passenger comforts, safety and overall driving experience. So the hatchback system plays an important role in order to control the cabin temperature and also the air quality. So if poor air conditioning performance will give a driver discomfort, fatigue and also reduce the concentration during the long drive and also the traffic congestion. So lastly we talk about governance. Governance is aspect is refers on how manufacturer comply with the regulations such as emission standards, which known as Lastly, we have a governance aspect. So governance is referred on how manufacturer comply with the regulations such as emission standard, which known as the Clean Air Service Act 1970, with safety requirements and the approval of refrigerants. So this vehicle is designed to follow the automotive regulation to ensure the safety, environmental well-being and reliable to the consumers. So the summary of ESG awareness is help us to understand how the vehicle technology affect regulatory responsibility in everyday cars like this vehicle.
Next, one example of Chevrolet Sonic hatchback system problem related to ESG. First is commonly is refrigerant leakage. So for the environment, refrigerant leakage contribute to greenhouse gas emission and environment pollution. For social, it makes the cabin become very hot during the hot weather. For the governance, poor maintenance or old system part can cause the vehicle to fail to meet environment regulations.
Now I will explain about the solutions of ESG, which extends environmental, social and governance. For the environmental benefit, optimized compressing cycling reduces unnecessary refrigerant use and lowers emissions. And for the social benefit, maintains consistent cabin temperature and improve passenger comfort. For the governance, designed to comply with automotive refrigerant standards and emission regulation. Additionally, regular servicing and the use of approved refrigerants further reduce environmental impact and ensure long-term system reliability.
In conclusion, the Chevrolet Sonic Hatchback 1.4 LTZ 2013 demonstrates how ESG principles are applied in real automotive systems. While hatchback-related issues such as refrigerant leakage can negatively impact the environment and passenger comfort, modern hatchback features and proper maintenance provide effective solutions by integrating efficient system design, regulatory compliance and enhanced users' comfort. The vehicle highlights the critical importance of ESG awareness in modern automotive engineering. That's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, turun.
nak buat apa?